Hello, everyone. I hope you are okay. So in my previous video, I already explained how you can create a framework from scratch for Appium. So we are using the Cucumber framework in our project. So let me show you one or two steps, the scenarios, we can understand it, how we can run our test cases in different devices. This first one is I'm going to test the iOS device. The second example, it is going to be Android device. So there is a switch page on iOS device, and then there is two switch button. We will check if the first one is on, it will stay like that. And then we will check second one, it should be off. And then we will verify them. First one is on, second one is off, and we will take the screenshot. So here's my step definition. I implemented my codes for according to those steps. So I will use here a scrolling method to find that element, because switches page, it is not on the UI when the application is started. So it is going to find and click on it, and then it will check the switch buttons according to requirement. Then it will verify them, we'll take a screenshot. So let me run it. So this one, I give switch buttons tag name, and then from my runner, I give the same name as a tag. When I click on run, it is going to run that test case, and then we will see. Let me open my simulator. So let's see how it is taking our scenario and automating in the simulator. So right now it is invoking the app in the simulator. So it is scrolling and finding the switches page and click on it. And then it is going to check first switch button. Okay, now it is going to check second switch button. At the same time, you can follow the steps from here. It is pressed already and takes a screenshot. So, you know, Cucumber, it's giving us very good reports. Let me show you the screenshot to you. This is the screenshot for my scenario. I said after finishing it, you can get a screenshot. Then it takes screenshots. So let me show you another scenario from here. Okay, there is another scenario which is drag and drop. These applications for learning purpose, it is open source application. So that's why I choose them and to share with you. So what is the scenario saying? It is saying that there is API demos page. You are going to click on it and then view page, and then there is a page drag and drop. You will go there, then you will select the first circle. There is a button there, and then put it the third one, and then verify that there is a text. It's explaining this already dragged and dropped, and then take a screenshot. So let me. Okay, here is the tag name is drag and drop. Let me copy and paste inside my runner as a tag. So when I run it from here, okay, it will be at the same time. Let me change my configuration from iOS to Android. It is going to get Android driver. So here is configuration properties file. I am storing all my data, and then through configuration reader class, I am reaching this data to implement in my codes. So let me go back my scenario. This is my scenario. This is how I implement my codes. Here is my scripts. Okay, let me run it from here. Now I will try with the real device. it is going to invoke the app in my device. Okay, click on API demos, then view, then drag and drop, and then take first one to the third one, then take the screenshot. Let me show you again my screenshot here. The last one now. Took already. It take the first one, put to the third one. Let me make it bigger. So the both scenarios is working as expected. This is how we can test and verify the scenarios in a Cucumber framework using Appium. Thank you for listening. I hope we will see each other in the during the course, and we can learn more about the mobile testing. See you.